Hi, this is Beau. Today we're going to talk about 3 DIY solutions to a lack of exercise equipment. Pull-up, a beautiful exercise, a wonderful exercise. You may be thinking, well, pull-ups are incredible. How can I do them at home? I don't have a pull-up bar. There's a few DIY tips that can help you make that happen. If there's open stairs, so stairs where you can walk under the stairwell and grab the stair with your hands. So it's going to be a flat hand grip, so it's a little harder to do than a normal grip on a pull-up bar. Make sure no one's walking up and down them. So think about looking up as you come up. You're going to arch your back and bring your chest up to the stairs and then back down. Another way to create a pull-up bar is to tie some rope together and put a dowel through the rope. So use at least 2 loops of rope, maybe 3 or 4, depending on how strong the bar is and how heavy you are. All right, here's how to make a bowline knot. So you're going to come across, through, around the main stem, and then back. Pull tight, and there you go. You want to make sure that the rope is evenly spaced. If you're trying to prevent the bar from slipping one way or another, one thing to do is loop around a couple times when you're creating the loop on the pull-up bar. So it'll create kind of like a slip knot on the bar, so then as you pull it, it'll pull the knot tight. One of the most versatile ways to add resistance to your workout is with dumbbells. Now, dumbbells can be expensive, especially if you get a whole rack full of dumbbells, kind of like the one behind me. If you're trying to reap the benefits of dumbbells and you can't really invest in a dumbbell set, what you can do, you can use water jugs. So these are 5-gallon jugs. You can use 1-gallon jugs, and you can mark delineations up and down the jugs and use different amounts of water, sand, or dirt. The water is a little more than 8 pounds per gallon. So if you have a 5-gallon jug, you can have a dumbbell that weighs anywhere from almost nothing to a little bit over 40 pounds. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching.